what's up? So today we're going to do another unboxing. I'm super excited about this one. So as you can see, it's the Assassin's Creed Odyssey Medusa edition. I actually got this from an amazing store in Greece. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. It's Collector's Corner GR, so you can go to Facebook and you can see all the editions they have. With me, you saw I have Coco. She's going to go around here and there. She's my puppy. You haven't seen her in any of my videos. And I also have a friend today with me. She's a huge Assassin's Creed fan, like one of the truest gamers I know. And she's obsessed with Assassin's Creed. And she's Eva. She has the same name as me. Come, my love. She's coming. She's behind the camera, but she's here.
Hi, guys.
She wanted to do this with me
Coco.
because she loves this. And we're gonna open this with you.
And Coco.
And Coco. She's going with us.
Yes,
and actually, Assassin's Creed Valhalla is coming up.
Yeah.
So we are super excited about that one as well. I think it's 150 euros. You can pre-order it from the Ubisoft store right now.
Yes.
Which is kind of the same.
You can also check out the trailer.
Yes. So we want Vikings vibes, everything. We're super excited. So as you may know, I'm from Greece. We're from Greece, and this Assassin's Creed was one that we wanted to get Ubisoft to create for years, because she loves the Italian, with Ezio and stuff, which is close to us. But when this came out, and then we saw
home.
This is home, and I mean, you have two characters, Alexios and Cassandra. So I think with no further ado, we can go ahead and open it, see what it has. Oh, I love this.
Yes.
So it's really well packed. The guys from the store, the communication was amazing. And there's button things. I don't want to damage it at all. It's Coco likes Assassin's Creed 2.
Yeah.
Super excited.
She's licking it.
Okay.
Guys at home.
Yeah. So we got the box. Coco, go down. You want to stay here? Okay, she wants to stay with us.
So
We got the box. We like the box. I think it's pretty cool. It has, of course, the Medusa all around.
Yeah.
It's a typical one. Let's see. It opens from the top. The top. No. Okay. I love these hardcore boxes because you can carry it around and you can repackage it and it will never damage anything from the inside. I just love I love this. It's so amazing. So what do we have over here? Okay, we have a bunch of things.
We have a map.
We have a map. Let's open the map and see what the map has.
Let's see.
Is it a Greek map? I'm gonna be so excited.
I think it is.
If it's a Greek map.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You see, I don't want to damage it. Okay, so it's like this.
Yes.
You can see the map over here. And actually on the back, we can see
it has the symbol of Assassin's Creed.
Yes. So what do we have over here? Let's put it a little bit down so we can see. Okay, it has Athens. Yeah, and all the islands. It's so exciting. Oh my god. It has Evia. It's it's an amazing place that you can go for vacations and stuff. And Attica, which is Attiki, I mean the newly reformed Attiki. Mykonos, party. Paros is okay, that's a little bit too much, but I love this. Yes. And Creed, of course, it has Creed.
Mysiros, which by the way is a very little island with a volcano on it.
Nice, never been, so I don't know.
Yes.
I love this. I think this is such a well-made map. We can show it again. It's it's amazing. I love the map. Usually I don't have maps and stuff or pictures out. So I'm gonna fold this again.
It's a pretty decent map.
It's a nice map. But
okay.
I love this. It's okay. We're gonna put it on the side and do it later.
Yeah.
Okay, the next thing we have is the Assassin's Creed Odyssey game soundtrack, which comes in a CD form, has 21 songs from the game, which probably they're all instrumental, they do. I love the one when they have the Unity one.
Yeah.
With Lordy. was so cool. When the trailer came out, we were like, okay, these ones we're not going to show because
this is our special
yes, this is our key. You can see it has some kind of like the Kronos pack. You have like a horse, an armor, and temporary boosts. And what else do we have?
And this is also a key. We're not showing it.
We're not showing it. It's a DLC. Is it a
It's
DLC?
an additional mission.
Yeah, it's a DLC, The Blind
Blind
King. Many of you, like, you might have played it, so you might know. Let's flip this around and leave it here. It's perfect. I don't know exactly how much they cost, like this. And this is why I'm really excited for. You know the love I have for art books. Like,
I do.
I have so many Assassin's Creed art books, and this is one of the favorite things. It's red.
Yes,
it's
but
amazing.
I have a tattoo.
She has a tattoo on her back. Yeah, I was thinking about getting one, but like, oh my god, this
is awesome.
I love this. These are all the original designs, and it's actually a very good cosplay guide. Like, if you want to cosplay, art books are the best thing that you can literally find.
It also has some
structures,
shrines.
Like this is a Creed, right? These are the Creed temples. Yeah, these are actually how they are preserved right now. So if you ever come to Greece and you go to those places, you'll see that they're exactly the same. Like,
this is awesome.
I think Ubisoft always does is like they make such amazing designs from the places. Like I think they travel, so they get to see all the different places, and they do it so amazing in the games.
I actually went to Italy to check this out, and it was
because you're
really
obsessed. Like you went to Italy to see the Assassin's Creed places.
Of course I did.
And it has the gladiators. Like, we love this. Like, we can show it.
Yeah.
It's not a huge one, but it has like really nice designs.
And it has also places, not only weapons, not only heroes.
Yes, but I love this. This is probably one of my favorite things.
Yeah.
What else can we find inside? Okay, of course.
The game.
The game. It's a pretty packaged one, really nice. Many of you already played this, but whatever. And is there something inside there? I want to put my hand, but I don't know if it fits.
Safe?
I don't know. Okay, let's take out the big boy. Let's take out the big boy. Okay.
Oh, this is awesome.
This is really nice. It's huge. That's what she said. I think there's something inside there. I'm gonna do it. No!
No.
There's nothing?
Come on.
I can see that there is something. I
was expecting a Medusa.
I swear there's something. What is this? Like, don't you see? There is something. Or is it just paper?
Yeah, I think there is, but I'm not sure.
Is there?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's see.
It's very... Yeah, it did. It doesn't hold. Okay, I think it's just paper.
Yeah.
I think...
Damn it.
It's future. Like, wait. Failed. There's nothing more.
But the hope was real.
But let's open this bad boy right here. Oh my god, I don't want to open it. He seems so
fragile,
but like strong at the same time.
I think everything is gonna.
It's not food. It's not food.
No, it's not.
Okay. Oh, there's tapes on the side.
Yeah.
Those are stupid.
On the other end too.
Let's open only one side. Can we open only one side?
Are you sure?
No. But whatever. Okay.
Also from the bottom, I think.
Yeah. Am I too rough with him? It's okay. He likes it rough.
Yeah.
Like,
why do we have the scissors?
I don't know. I brought the scissors to do this, but like, I don't want to cut anything.
Oh.
Okay.
We're doing this.
There are two weapons. Two swords.
Okay.
Oh, that's so bad. Okay.
Wow.
These are tiny weapons. Is this
Yeah.
is this a lance? It looks like a lance. Could be lance. I don't know what it is. And this is like, why is the sword like this? Do we have?
I think it's it seems like a Yatahan sword. A little bit.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. These two, which I don't want to break, and I don't want Coco to eat those.
Yeah. about sweets. Okay.
Oh my god, this bad boy.
Yeah.
I am in
Oh,
love
me
with
too.
this boy.
Oh, me too.
Okay. Why is he so...
It's so detailed.
No! He's so sexy. Can I be in love with the figure?
Yes, you can.
Can I
am
be in
already.
like... Oh my god. The detail in
Yeah.
this is just amazing. Like
And
the head, the base, he has... Like I've never seen... No, like I see very rarely figures that have this kind of stance.
yeah.
And actually feels sturdy. Like he feels very sturdy, like heavy,
Solid.
like not heavy, but like you feel that it's not gonna break.
Yeah.
Like I can feel it, and he's so handsome. Can I marry you?
No.
What? I got a little bit hurt right now. Can you marry me?
She's gonna marry you.
Oh,
and
she said yes. I'm dying.
I'm gonna marry him though.
No, you're not taking my baby away.
Oh, you can have two babies.
Okay, so let's try and like put him down, and you
Also,
the lambs.
I want to point out that his suit is like leather.
Yeah, it feels
Those
like-
are like leather.
Yeah, like they're from plastic, but they feel like leather.
Yeah.
He feels really nice. He has a bicep. He feels like skin.
Yeah.
I don't know what
He has
Ubisoft.
veins. What do you mean? And scars.
My favorite veins and scars. It's like too much sexual in this video. So is he holding the lambs from which hand? I'm not sure. What does it say on the box? Okay, so the lance goes on the front hand, and the
Yes.
sword goes on the back one. And he holds this in a really strange way. Why would you hold a sword like this? It's not even practical.
It's
Like-
not practical,
At
but
all. Okay, I did it. I don't care. I put mine.
okay.
I put
But
mine.
I need to see in order to put mine too. I'm like, I don't want to break
Why would
him.
you hold?
Oh!
Why would you hold a weapon like that? It doesn't even make any sense. Fuck. Where? No.
Come on.
I hate those guns. I hate those weapons and all the figures. I always lose them or don't. Like Coco ate my Unity figure sword.
Okay.
So she did.
It's legit.
It's super legit.
Yeah.
See, oh god! Did it fall another time?
Come on.
Where did it go? Okay, we don't
no
care.
idea.
It's okay. He's perfect.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, so just a recap of what we have. So we have the figure with a fallen sword somewhere.
Yeah.
We've got the game. We've got
The art book.
the art book. We've got the secret codes. We're not going to
Yes.
show them to you.
They're ours. We've got the soundtrack.
And the amazing map.
And we've got the amazing map, yeah.
And don't forget about the box as well. Like, it's perfect. It's huge. You can pack it up. You can
you can pack it up, you can show it off.
You can show it off and be like, hey, I got a fancy box of Assassin's Creed, and it's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, and if you don't want to put the figure in it,
You can have
You
it.
can
as-
put
yeah,
other
you can put
stuff.
it. You can put it on top of it.
yeah,
You can
and
put
you can
stuff.
put other stuff in
Yeah,
it.
in it, like you can put like books or
Mhm.
secret guns.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about this? Is this worth it? Is it like, would you buy this?
Of course I would.
I think it's amazing. I think the quality is really nice. Like, usually you get the game for like, when it came out, it was 60 euros, 50 euros,
I
59.99,
think like 60.
something like that. So I think that difference in the price, it's really, really low in compared to what it gives. Because the figure
True.
alone worth so
Yeah.
much more.
Yeah.
Like, so much more. Definitely recommend it, and stay tuned because we will be buying the Valhalla pack as well. We're going to buy the collector's edition of Assassin's Creed Valhalla,
Yes.
and we will be unboxing it on the channel as well,
Yeah, we hope it will be awesome.
which it will because it's Viking. We're gonna play with like Ragnar Lothbrok,
Oh.
or like it's gonna be like Vikings the series, but like in a video game. So
Oh.
what's better? So that's all from us. I'm going to leave down below the link to the store where this was actually bought. Amazing, great communication, great delivery, great prices. Has a lot of other collector's editions like Ni no Kuni, Red Dead Redemption, Death Stranding, everything. And you can request, of course, things as well. And also, I'm going to link down below the previous Assassin's Creed unboxing that actually I did on the channel. And stay tuned for Assassin's Creed Valhalla.
Yeah.
That's all from us. See you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.